my hammock I fell asleep. I dreamed a dream and I thought it true, concerning Franklin and his gallant crew. With 100 seamen he sailed away, across the frozen ocean in the month of May, to seek a passage around the pole, where we poor seamen do sometimes go. Through cruel hardships the sailors rowed, the ships on mountains of ice were thrown. Only the Eskimo in his skin canoe is the only one that ever came through. Baffin Bay where the whale fishes blow, the fate of Franklin no man may know. The fate of Franklin no tongue can tell. Lord Franklin along with his sailors did well. And now my burden, it brings me pain. Long lost Franklin, I would cross the main. 10,000 pounds would I freely give to say on earth that Lord Franklin did.